So stretching my hamstrings and my adductors, which are the back of your legs is your hamstrings and then your inner thigh is your adductors. I like to do this often before leg day, or also before a run. I just feel a little bit better. I don't know if it's like a jinx. If I don't do this, I don't feel good, but I'll often do this before those two. So you want to keep your back straight. Here's the key thing. When stretching your hamstrings, you're not going to be stretching your hamstrings if your back is rounded. So you want to really stick out that chest and push those hips back. You can do it where your feet are together. You can do it shoulder width. It just kind of depends on where you are feeling your tightness. And then to stretch your inner thigh, what you're going to do is push your hips to one side, and then you should feel it on the inner thigh. Sometimes people are not very flexible, or this is so tight that you might even have to pull your foot up off the floor, like your toe off the floor. You don't have to keep both feet flat, just kind of depending on how you feel. But really keep that back straight by sticking your chest out and kind of going back and forth. I don't like to stay in one spot very often throughout this, so I'll move around quite a bit. And then if you are tighter on one leg, you can even do a single leg. So here, whatever leg is straight, you are stretching. Again, my back is straight. I'm even pulling my toe up to really stretch out those hamstrings a little bit more. And then I'm pressing my chest closer to the floor to get more of a stretch.